have 10 more minutes of debate. My first question, opening question, is to Ami Yagnik. Ami Yagnik, you should pick up an issue when you are at a strong point. On an issue on which you're already weak, on an issue on which you're already on the defensive, you made a series of mistakes. Why have you picked up Snoopgate? You have suffered a series of setbacks while trying to sustain the attack on Snoopgate. The Gujarat government set up its own commission on November 26th, even before the centre could react, right? Then, when the centre set up the commission, Shinde said, I'll have a judge look into it. Till date, there is no judge to look into it. Then, Ayatin Oza says that the woman concerned has not stepped forward and she's not complained about it either, right? Gujarat government, on the other hand, has gone ahead, filed an affidavit before the Supreme Court claiming that the woman was in the know about the surveillance and was thankful for the same. So, I can go on and on. December 26th, you said we'll get a judge. Till now, you haven't found a judge. April 12th, when Kapil Sibal says, I have found a judge, but there is no movement. What does all of this prove? It simply proves you want to keep the issue alive, but you lack the conviction and the honesty to actually do something about it, which is why Priyanka and Rahul's attack will go nowhere. Because before you attack them, people will ask you, why didn't you do anything? You understand, Ms. Yagnik?
Yes, I understand all your questions, and the dates will add on and on till Mr. Amit Shah does not come on your channel and give you that answer. For whom did he use the government machinery to do
you
the
set up a panel to ask Amit Shah. You didn't set up a panel.
Even if the woman comes and says that the surveillance was, the consent
Why
was given,
don't you set up a panel and call Amit Shah?
Lalita Kumaramangalam is also asking you.
Making so much noise on national television every time you think you're losing the election. Set up a commission. We are challenging you. Set up a commission. You have said it more than once that you want to set up a commission. Set it up. It's been more than 5 months. The Gujarat government set it up. Why can't you do it? You are in power in the centre.
Set up a commission.
Asaram Bapu's two missing children and the Sujlam Suflam case. So
why are you now moving away from the main topic, Ms. Ami
to
Yagnik?
become the prime ministerial candidate?
It's all very well to tell us
my question.
Why haven't you set up a commission? If you are so convinced that Mr. Narendra Modi and
why do you bring in other issues when we are discussing Snoopgate?
Please set up a commission. You are in power at the centre. Nobody has prevented you from setting it up.
You asked a prime ministerial candidate.
Why are women being raped in this country?
Morally.
Why did you not set up a commission, Ms. Yagnik?
Why we wasn't able to do anything to prevent women from being raped in this country?
Talk about women's safety.
No, 1 second. Don't talk about women's safety. I'm asking you. I'll keep repeating the
Morally, do you
question.
think you can talk about women's safety or about accountability?
Why did you not set up a commission?
And don't bring.
Why did you not set up a commission?
Don't bring Mr. Vadra in the picture.
Why don't you reply?
Why did you not set up a commission?
Prime Minister's post. You answer for the 15,000 crores you have spent on the election.
But Mr. Vadra is related to the first family of the Congress. It is the Gandhis who control the Congress party. It's a very well-known fact. Mrs. Sonia Gandhi, so is the Gandhi, so is the Congress. You have been in power for 10 years. Why are you so afraid to answer questions?
Contesting for the PM's post.
But Mr. Vadra is the son-in-law of the first family of the Congress.
Let him answer.
You have been in power for 10 years, Ms. Yagnik. Why are you running away from answering questions that the people are raising? How can you say this? I mean, how ridiculous
I repeat my question. What was my question? Ms. Yagnik, Ms. Kumaramangalam, with your permission, I'd like to come back into the debate.
What power have you given for women getting raped again and again?
I am trying to come back to the debate.
You set up the RTI and then in Parliament, Mr. Mukul Vasnik says that you cannot, Manish Tiwari says you can't ask any
Why
questions
don't you let me come back to the debate? What was my question? What is my question? I asked a simple question. Please, ladies, please calm down, Ms. Kumaramangalam. Ms. Kumaramangalam and Ms. Ami Yagnik, please, I have a simple question. I ask a simple question, and you all, simple question. And by the way, what was my question? You didn't set up your commission. Set up a commission. Why didn't you set up a commission? Why do you promise things you don't do? That's all. Why are you getting touchy? You bring everything else into it. No, Ami Yagnik. Now, Ayatin Oza wanted to ask you a question as well. Please, Ami Yagnik, please. Ami Yagnik, I have a bad voice, but he's lost his voice.
Please come and give that answer. No, please come and give that answer. You asked Mr. Amit Shah why the government machinery was used. Why government machinery was used?
But then if you are so convinced, why didn't you set up a commission to investigate Amit Shah? Why didn't you put him in jail? If you think he's done a wrong thing.
Arnab, the whole nation is watching this debate. The whole nation is watching this debate. Let us organize this debate in a systematic manner.
1 minute.
And let us answer the issues which have been put
But you are
forward
not the
to be
answer,
answered.
Mr. Oza.
Let us not deviate from the...
Ami Yagnik, no interruption, please, Mr. Yagnik, don't interrupt.
Let us-
He's saying something to you.
Let us
After
not,
him, you reply.
let
Yes.
us not deviate from the subject for which we are discussing. The plain and simple question that has been put is
Repeatedly.
why no commission, despite announcement having been made to set up a commission 3.5 months back. And I was stunned and shocked yesterday on this very channel at this very time when Congress spokesperson said that it is because of the fascist approach of these fascists that no judge is ready.
Yeah.
Now I am really shocked to what level we are taking this debate to. When you appoint a judge of the Supreme Court, retired judge of the Supreme Court as a panel head,
what they said.
he enjoys all the status.
It was said on the news debate.
Yes. And today, some entirely different reasonings are coming out, and where you have no answer.
Completely different.
What you say is, you did wrong, now therefore I am doing wrong, and I am justifying it.
Why did you not set up a commission? Now,
That's
and the answer, the answer the Congress party is giving is Sabha. And Ami Yagnik, just 8 minutes.
You got the answer yesterday. I am asking a question why Mr. Oza was not surprised when the whole government machinery was used. He is surprised today. Why is he not surprised at that time?
What do you mean by whole government machinery? There is an affidavit filed before the Supreme Court. Go and file an application of perjury.
You read that affidavit.
Go and file an application of perjury. We have definitely stated that girl was thankful, and it was at her request that this was set up, at the request of her father. And when she is not making any grievance, you want to take a political mileage out of nothing.
For one girl.
Can I now say one thing?
No, I have still not got an answer to the question. Now, Sabha.
Have you asked that? Have you asked that to the state government? Why did the brothers and the family of this woman get the biggest
I think
project
Sabha
from
wants to say
Gujarat?
something to you. Ami Yagnik,
Who came
2
from
minutes left
Bangalore?
on this Newsar debate, and Sabha Naqvi wants to make a point, please. Listen to Sabha, please. Sabha.
Ami, as far as I see it, you have a point, but you carry on repeating it that yes, we all want to know what were the Sahib tapes all about, and Mr. Modi is a prime ministerial candidate. Yet it's completely baffling. Why isn't there a commission of inquiry and set up by the centre? There was an opening to do that. So one can only deduce that nobody is serious about.
Obviously, because there isn't much
this is just sort of leaders hitting out at each other because the code was broken. Also, Lalita, I want to mention to you that the data on Vadra was with the BJP for a year, but a section of the leadership didn't want it to come out. They sat on it for a whole year. So clearly, at the leadership level, people operate on codes where you don't break certain things. Now, in the heat of the election, Vadra has been attacked. So now Snoopgate is coming out also as something to hit back.
The question certainly will be asked about the timing. People are saying, okay, raise the issue, but raise Vadra earlier, stronger. Raise Snoopgate earlier, stronger. And if we are asking questions on timing, I think it's a legitimate question.
We have raised Vadra earlier in Parliament or no? Why do people forget it? We have raised it earlier in Parliament. And you've forgotten that Manish Tiwari said that
well, let me tell you, there was a there has been a 1.5 year hiatus since the issue has come up in the media. And Ms. Kumaramangalam, with respect to you, the BJP has given the issue largely a pass. At least that is my view. And the impression of a lot of people in the media, you've given it a pass. Now I have some some tweets which have come out, some tweets from I think this is from Narendra Modi's handle, which say fear of defeat is visible on Congress. That's why Congress is spreading lies. Madam came to Gujarat, even in the land of Bapu, she spread lies. Well, it's certainly becoming more direct, more personal. Gloves are off. I don't know what this is all leading up to, but I'd like to thank all of us for participating, all of you for participating on the News Hour Debate 2 tonight. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you.